Veliate, Olia Sasani, Pai, Cow, Penny, never see. Pierre, you foul spirit, you hear my voice. Come out! To attack!
Bible says the sower went to sow a good seed, but when it fell on the roadside, the trampler and his bird came and destroyed the seed. Much we are dealing with the trampler and his bird. Inshra jedie apapa onyame di atoyemu 2026. Our suamanini. We lift our prayer. We lift our hands, we lift up tongues, and we declare that this one will not be destroyed. Come and let us pray. This is a clarion call. It is a subpoena. You have nowhere to be in town all night, war night, ghost night, and power night with Amechame.
And until I saw me a Shia Nyamia Dumwa, 27th of March, Ewa Jinase Kwadaso. See school, Kingsword family to Sadia Fro, 7 p.m. sharp in Shia near Munyanko Pompai.